State your name. Having been elected to the position of, state your position, of the Rotary Club of Baguio Sunrise. RI District 3790. For the Rotary year 2021-2022. Do hereby solemnly swear upon my honor to faithfully and willingly discharge the duties and responsibilities of my office. Fully conscious of the important obligations which I have voluntarily committed to assume. I further pledge to uphold and defend the Constitution and bylaws of the Rotary Club of Baguio Sunrise and that of Rotary International. Ever putting into practice Rotary's motto, service above self, and applying the four-way test as the basis of all my actions and actuations to help advance the object of Rotary, giving emphasis to this year's RI theme, serve to change lives. All these I pledge and promise to do, and observe to the best of my ability, without any mental reservation nor purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, everyone.
Always